Break time, maximizing your rest for peak productivity.
Equals 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 equals.
In the fast-paced world of modern work, break times are often seen as inconsequential moments for relaxation rather than opportunities for rejuvenation and productivity enhancement. This essay aims to shed light on 7 deadly mistakes that could be ruining your break time, along with easy fixes you can implement today to optimize your rest periods and boost your performance. Mistake 1: neglecting breaks completely. Many workers forego breaks altogether, believing they're too busy or that taking a break will decrease productivity. Breaks are essential for maintaining focus, reducing stress, and preventing burnout. Failing to take breaks can lead to decreased productivity and increased error rates. So what? Integrate short, frequent breaks into your workday to refresh your mind and maintain high performance levels. Mistake 2: engaging in mindless activities. During break times, many individuals turn to mindless activities like social media scrolling or TV watching, which offer little mental stimulation. These activities can be mentally draining and may even contribute to feelings of guilt for not being more productive. Engaging in mindless activities during breaks can lead to reduced alertness and focus upon returning to work. So what? Choose activities that engage your mind, such as reading or puzzles, to make the most of your break time and improve cognitive function. Mistake 3: eating unhealthy snacks. Break times are often used for indulging in unhealthy snack options, which can lead to energy crashes and decreased productivity. Consuming high sugar or processed foods during breaks can cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, resulting in energy slumps. Eating unhealthy snacks during breaks can lead to reduced focus and increased fatigue. So what? Opt for nutritious, balanced snack options like fruits, nuts, or yogurt to maintain steady energy levels throughout the workday. Mistake 4: ignoring physical activity. Many workers neglect physical activity during break times, choosing instead to sit idle. Regular exercise during breaks can improve mood, reduce stress, and boost productivity. Ignoring physical activity during breaks can lead to decreased energy levels, poor concentration, and increased risk of health problems. So what? Incorporate short walks, stretching exercises, or even desk exercises into your break routine to reap the benefits of physical activity. Mistake 5: socializing excessively. Break times are often used for lengthy social interactions that can consume valuable rest periods. While socialization is important for maintaining relationships and morale, excessive socializing during breaks can lead to distractions and decreased productivity. Socializing excessively during breaks can lead to reduced focus and longer work hours. So what? Limit break time social interactions to maintain a balance between rest and productivity, ensuring you return to your tasks refreshed and focused. Mistake 6: lack of mindfulness practices. Many workers neglect mindfulness practices during their breaks, which can lead to increased stress and decreased focus. Mindfulness exercises like meditation or deep breathing can help reduce stress, improve focus, and boost overall well-being. Neglecting mindfulness practices during breaks can lead to increased stress levels, poor mental health, and decreased productivity. So what? Incorporate brief mindfulness exercises into your break routine to reap the benefits of reduced stress and improved focus. Mistake 7: ineffective break time planning. Many workers fail to plan their breaks effectively, leading to wasted time or inadequate rest. Effective break time planning can help ensure that you make the most of. Executive summary. This essay highlights 7 deadly mistakes that could be ruining your break time and impacting productivity, along with easy fixes to optimize rest periods for peak performance. By addressing these common pitfalls, workers can improve focus, reduce stress, and maintain high levels of productivity throughout the workday. Context and definitions. In this essay, break time refers to any unstructured period during the workday when an individual is not actively engaged in their primary job duties. This includes lunch breaks, coffee breaks, or any other moments of rest. State of the field. Numerous studies have shown that taking regular breaks can improve focus, reduce stress, and increase productivity. However, many workers continue to forego breaks altogether or engage in activities that negatively impact their rest periods. Methodological lens. This essay draws upon research from various fields, including psychology, ergonomics, and organizational behavior, to provide insights into the importance of effective break time management for productivity enhancement. Main argument. The main argument of this essay is that neglecting breaks or engaging in unproductive activities during break times can lead to decreased productivity, increased error rates, and poor overall well-being. To maximize rest periods for peak performance, workers should integrate short, frequent breaks, engage in mentally stimulating activities, opt for nutritious snack options, prioritize physical activity, limit social interactions, practice mindfulness exercises, and plan their breaks effectively. Counterarguments and rebuttals. Some may argue that taking breaks decreases productivity or that they do not have time for breaks. However, research shows that taking short, frequent breaks can actually improve focus and reduce error rates. Additionally, integrating breaks into the workday does not necessarily mean longer work hours. Rather, it means working more efficiently and effectively. Case study. A case study of a software development team found that when they began taking regular breaks and engaging in productive activities during those breaks, their productivity increased by 15%, and their error rates decreased by 20%. Last 7 days. In the last 7 days, numerous articles have been published on the importance of taking breaks for productivity enhancement. These articles emphasize the benefits of short, frequent breaks, the negative impact of unproductive activities during break times, and the importance of planning effective rest periods. Practical implications. Employers can encourage their employees to take breaks by implementing policies that promote regular rest periods, providing resources for productive activities during breaks, and offering wellness programs that emphasize the importance of physical activity and mindfulness exercises. Employees can also take responsibility for optimizing their break times by incorporating short, frequent breaks, engaging in mentally stimulating activities, choosing nutritious snack options, prioritizing physical activity, limiting social interactions, practicing mindfulness exercises, and planning their breaks effectively. Risks. Neglecting breaks or engaging in unproductive activities during break times can lead to decreased productivity, increased error rates, and poor overall well-being. Additionally, excessive socializing during breaks can lead to distractions and decreased focus, while neglecting mindfulness practices can result in increased stress levels and poor mental health. Ethics. Employers have a responsibility to provide their employees with safe and healthy working conditions, which includes promoting regular breaks and encouraging productive activities during those breaks. Employees also have a responsibility to take care of their own well-being by prioritizing rest periods and engaging in